Hello, my theater arts peeps. This is Mrs. Wells, and I am going to be talking to you about the difference between mime and pantomime because our next assignment is going to be a pantomime that you will be doing in my class. So I'm going to give you a little introduction. All right, mime versus pantomime. What's the difference? Mime is the silent art of using body movements to create an illusion of reality. Mime can also refer to the actual person performing. And mime typically uses specific costumes and makeup. Pantomime is the extended use of mime techniques in telling a story. You're going to be acting without words or props to tell a story and does not require specific costumes and makeup. And that's what we're going to be focusing on this week is pantomime. So you don't have to have costumes or makeup. It's just you. And you will be over exaggerating your face and your body movements in this assignment. All right, we're going to talk about gestures and facial expressions. All right, gesture is a bodily movement usually made by the hands or arms to convey meaning. So here's an example. Shaking a fist signifies being angry. So you're angry at someone, you're going to put your fist up and you're going to shake it at them. Okay? Curling your finger toward yourself signifies come here. So you want to point them into your direction. And then hand raised in front of you signifies stop or wait. Now, facial expressions is using your face to convey meaning. We use facial expressions and nonverbal communication all of the time. Whether we're tired, we yawn. Whether we are irritated, we might roll our eyes. Okay. When someone's doing a good job, we give them a thumbs up. So here's some other examples. Raised eyebrows and an open mouth signify surprise or shock. Scrunching eyebrows and clenching of the teeth and jaw signify being angry. And curling of the upper lip towards the nose signifies disgust or something really smells. So in pantomime, it's important to use gestures and facial expressions, and you want to make sure to over exaggerate to get your point across. All right, tips for a successful pantomime. You're going to visualize what you're doing. If you see it and believe it, so will the audience. Consider the sense of touch. Is the object light or heavy? Is it soft or hard? Is it circular, rectangular, oddly shaped? Is it hot or is it cold? You're going to practice with real items first when you can. So, example, if your pantomime is to eat a bowl of soup, actually eat a bowl of soup and think about every aspect of it. How heavy it is, how heavy the bowl is, how do you hold the spoon, how do you use the spoon? Do you have to blow on the soup first? And what happens if the first bite is too hot? The most important tips for successful pantomime are allowing yourself to feel and act silly. That's a normal part of pantomime process. You It's to have fun. You're in this to have fun. Don't worry about what other people think. Believe in yourself because you can do this. It's going to be a fun assignment, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Remember, if you have any questions, you can ask me in person or you can message me on Canvas or on Remind.